Hi everybody, I'm Minial Rajkumar. So there are many insects, animals and even birds that teach us something, a new lesson in this modern world. So the bird or the insect that I'm going to teach you today is very interesting. So those are the best companions in your garden and I hope you would have guessed what that is. There is even a phrase which is meant by that. Butterflies are filled in my stomach. I don't know what's the meaning of that, but I heard that the first time when I was about to enter an exam hall. There I met a friend who told me, Hinial, butterflies are filled in my stomach. I don't know what the meaning of that. So that evening I went and searched Google, and that's where Google told me, Hinial, its meaning is fear or excited. So I hope even butterflies are filled even in your stomach too, waiting for what I'm going to teach you today. So yes friends, the thing that I'm going to teach you today is all related to a beautiful insect called butterfly. So butterflies don't know the color of their wings, the beauty in their wings, but even a human eye can see that. The beautiful colored wings of those. So even inside a human, a good character cannot be seen within ourselves. There are people who judge our characters only by like that beautiful butterfly. So learn one thing, not only butterflies are special, we are also special like that. So I usually love butterfly. It lives for only for a short period of time, but it leads a beautiful and a comfortable life. But their hard work is always a great thing for me. So a butterfly is something which lives a colorful life till its last breath. So now coming to the point, today I'm going to teach you a beautiful colorful butterfly in a 3D description. So are you ready? So let's move on to these slides now. So she is Malala Yousafzai and she told, one child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change the entire world. So this is Inil Rajkumar saying this. One pencil, one sketch, black color, one paper, one box of color pencil can change the entire drawing into 3D. So now, scissors and glue are not required, and the materials required are which you saw before. So, are you ready? Are you waiting for the trick that I'm going to show to you? So, now let's start the speech session. So, first take a neat A4 sheet. So, friends, before going to the session, I'm going to the teaching. Now, let me show you this. So this looks like a 3D, right? And hope you all would have been waiting what for this. See now? See, nothing disturbs, right? See? Nothing happens. So let me teach you this wonderful drawing. So first you have to take a neat A4 sheet and make sure that you draw a beautiful colorful butterfly. So here, let me teach you how to draw that. First take a pencil, or if you are comfortable with a black sketch at the first minute, if you can click it, yes you can. So first draw a small circle like this. Then draw a petal shaped body for your butterfly. So it should be like this. Draw beautiful wings. So you should draw like this. So you can draw 3 butterflies either in the same shape or in a decreasing shape. So here I am going to draw with the decreasing shapes. So now just look at this. I have drawn 3 butterflies of different shapes and I have just shaded their head with the same black sketch. So now shade the body, not the wings, with the same black sketch. So you can even use a marker if you feel that sketch is whiling away your time. But make sure that the paper should not tear, friends. So do the same for the 3. So just look at this, I have done it. So now it's time to broaden the wings of the butterfly. So broaden your wings in such a way that you should make sure that the wings should be realistic. So here I'm going to broad. See, now just look at this. This is the shape that I'm going to broad for all the butterflies, making sure that this is wider and it should come narrower at the ends. So this is what I'm going to do. So after drawing shapes like this, you have to shade with the same black sketch inside it. So you should do this for all the 3 butterflies. So now just look at this. This is the second stage of our drawing, and after that take the middle part of your butterfly and just divide it with a line into half. So see this is how you have to divide all the butterflies. So next take the color pencils. So and now you can choose any color shadings of your choice. So for the first drawing I have chose orange yellow. So the next one I chose red, pink and yellow, and the third one I chose was dark blue and light blue. So dark blue and light blue are the best combination, so I'm choosing it first. So shade at all the edges, so it will give a good beautiful effect. So now look at this. After that, shade it with light. Now take light blue and shade it at the rest of the gap. So after shading light blue, now I am taking again dark blue and merging it with the color sky blue, so that we would get a good merging of an image. So now look at this butterfly. So now take the sketch and draw small, dendrites in a so now I'm coming to biology. So dendrites in a neuron structure, right? So how would that look like? A roots shape, right? So here I'm going to draw a root shape. So a best therapy is now just shake your hands like this, so the pattern would come on its own. So now just look at this butterfly. You will get a realistic image like this, and now I'm going to do the same for all the 3 butterflies, but with different colors. So the next color I'm going to choose is green, dark green, light green and yellow. So we are going to do the same merging as we done in the before. So now I have completed 2 things, and the third color I'm going to choose is violets and pink. So now just look at this. We have colored all the 3, and so here now take a pencil and just draw a small curve at the bottom from the butterfly. So I have to draw this at this side, and you have to draw another border of a butterfly wing here. So see, you have to draw wings, another shape, same shaped wings for your butterfly here, and at the bottom you have to draw like this. So you have to shade inside. So this is just a shadow effect, so that we would get a 3D butterfly. So that's the trick behind this. So after shading, you can use the tip of your thumb, or you can use even waste paper to shade it like this inside. So now just look at this. After shading, you will get a 3D effects like this. So this is just a trick. So now just keep your pencils like this, and so without pencil and without glue we have done a 3D effect. So the best trick for this is the shadow, and so the I have given you a clue, that is a shadow. So you can even change this to a wall hanging, or if you are, for your reference event you can have it like this. So a butterfly getting out of a cocoon is not that easy, that we get in and out of our home. It struggles a lot, and so that it gets a bright future. So the point I'm coming to conclude is saying that if you struggle in your life and hope you would get a better life in our future, hoping with all success. May the winds of your life carry you all the way towards the bright future and the goals and the dreams which you are wishing. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, subscribe and share this in our channel and comment. Thank you once again. Bye.